Chosen Natural says, have a strategy or deal with the bear market. Okay, I guess that's more of a statement. Yeah, I mean, bear markets, you have to understand, bull markets is where you make your money. Actually, I'm sorry. You invest in a bear market and you make your money and you cash out in a bull market. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. The best time to buy Bitcoin was when Bitcoin dropped to under 4K, I think even under $3,000 at one point. Yeah, buy Bitcoin at 3K and you're selling at 40K. Not everything, but a lot of it. A good enough amount, right? Buy Ethereum at 100, take profits when it's at 1200, right? A good amount of it, right? Definitely a good way to go, right? Buy low, sell high. But you also have to understand that sometimes the market moves in cycles and you have to rotate markets, right? So for example, when crypto was going through a bear market, your strategy had to change. You had to evolve. Some people went to stocks because stocks were still rallying, right? And some people found Tesla, right? Oh, some people found Netflix or Amazon, right? So as Bill likes to say on the show, there's always a bull market somewhere, right? Right now it's in crypto. So it pays to be in crypto right now because of the market. But let's say that the bear market ends in 2 to 3 years. Then by then, hopefully you've been cashing out and you have enough money for financial freedom, for crypto retirement or crypto, just financial freedom, basically. Once you have that, you can look to find where the next bull run is. Maybe it's back in stocks or equities. Maybe it's in real estate. Maybe it's in angel investing, right? But you definitely want to diversify your portfolio. That way you're always in the bull market somewhere.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com. Disclaimer: Token Metrics Media LLC does not provide individually tailored investment advice and does not take a subscriber's or anyone's personal circumstance into consideration when discussing investments, nor is it registered as an investment advisor or broker-dealer in any jurisdiction. Information contained herein is not an offer or solicitation to buy, hold, or sell any security. The Token Metrics team has advised and invested in many blockchain companies. A complete list of their advisory roles and current holdings can be viewed here at tokenmetrics.com/disclosures.